Century New Poverty Engine International Trade Company Limited provided the bag dust collector, integral equipment, production, processing. Welcome close range to our factory field exploration.
Hello, Manager Liu.
Hello, Miss Jia.
I see our workmen are assembling the guard rail, right? Can you introduce our specific work content to the TV audience on the current situation of the workers' masters?
At present, the set of participators you see is a project we received from a mechanical plant. You see, the size of this inspection platform is relatively large, and there are stairs to walk between each other. These are customized with the height between the participators. Where there is a such dent, we will fill in some building. The winding of the box body. We require that all use full winding. Winding will also be polished and smooth. After polishing and then printing, see the surface is very clean. There won't be finished winding. See of that kind of filling of body.
The horn weld is so long that it's not safe to use.
We mainly need to ensure the tightness of the winding in this position. After welding forming, the overall stress is still very high because of the limitation of steel plate material. The opening is hydraulically pressed and was formerly drilled. At present, the drilling process has been eliminated.
As you can see behind me, the dust collector is currently being built to repair the platform guard rail. There will be over 20 dust collectors equipped together. Let's go and interview the workers at work. Hello, Master. You have worked very hard. What do you think is the difference between the production of the dust collector and other equipment in the past?
For this set of participators, the customer has many requirements. When ordering in the production process, we produce the requirements of the customer one by one. The rest of the stair steps and the angle of that must also be in accordance with the requirements. The pulse valve is a combination of soft and hard connection.
Thank you for watching. We will have more production videos next time. See you next time.